parts of the plant are the root and shoot. Root usually grows under the ground, while shoot usually grows above the ground. The shoot has different parts called the stem, leaves, flowers, and roots. The stem is the stalk of the plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and carries food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Branches are parts that grow from the stem. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They are usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll, which helps them to prepare food. Leaves have small openings called stomata, through which plants take in and give out air. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. By the process of pollination, many flowers develop into delicious fruits, which are eaten by us. Roots help to anchor the plant to the ground. They absorb the water and minerals required for the growth of the plant.
In this video, we read about parts of plants and their functions. We are saying these are the parts of the plants. It is leaf, fruit, stem, flower, roots. Each part of a plant, tree, thinks that it is the most important part. Every part of the plant think I am important, but all parts are important for a plant and trees. How are the following parts useful? Now we read how are the following parts useful. How is useful leaf, fruit, stem, flower, roots. The main most important part of the plant is leaf, fruit, trunk, stem, flower and roots. Plants are of many types and they grow in different places. We know that all plants are different types and all trees are different. We saw many trees in our lives, neem, peepal, mango tree, etc. And we saw many plants as like cactus, hibiscus, lotus. These are plants. Different plants have different types of roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. But the functions of each part remain the same. Different plants have different types of roots. It means cactus plant has different types of roots, hibiscus plant has different types of roots and lotus plant has different types of roots, and each plant has different leaves, but the functions of each part remain the same, but all parts functions are same. Now we read about root system. We know that the root of a plant grow under the soil. We know that where is the root of a plant? Under the soil. It means कि किसी भी plant की root under the soil होती है. Now we read about functions. What are the functions of roots? First is fiction. Root fix the plant firmly to the soil. Firmly means कठोर मजबूती से. Roots work to keep the plant in the soil firmly. Big trees have thick and wide separate roots under the soil to support them, but big trees as like neem, peepal have thick means mota, wide separates means choda roots under the soil. इनकी जो roots होती है as like neem, peepal, वो अंडर द सॉइल सेपरेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा जगह में फैली हुई होती है. these roots supports the trees. और ये roots जो है वो क्या काम करती है, support देने का काम करती है किसको, ट्री को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नीम ट्री, banyan tree. Thus, the roots help the tree to remain firmly fixed to the ground, and root helps the tree to remain firmly, मजबूती से fix होने के लिए to the ground, ground में fix होने के लिए. और ग्राउंड में मजबूती से फिक्स होने के लिए क्या करती है, हेल्प करती है. क्या हेल्प करती है, रूट्स. नेक्स्ट इज एब्जॉर्वेशन. Other work of the root is root absorb water and minerals, salt from the soil and help the plant to prepare its own food. Root help observe, अवशोषित करना. Observe means अवशोषित करना water and minerals को from the soils. Root help करती है minerals को, water को observe करने में soil से, and help the plant prepare its own food, and help the plant to prepare its own food. It means कि plant की help करती है क्या करने में, prepare its own food. Next is storage. Root other function is storage. Some plants store excess food in their roots. Many plants are as like they store their food in roots. For example, carrot, radish and bitter root. Bitter root means chakundar. Other functions of the roots are prevention of soil erosion. Roots prevent soil erosion by holding the topsoil together tightly. A plant's root hold the soil at the top tightly. It means a plant stop the soil erosion because it holds the soil together tightly. Now we read about shoot system. The shoot system is the part of a plant growing above the ground. Shoot is the another part of a plant which grow above the ground. The shoot system consists of the stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. A shoot part has stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Stem. First we read about stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. What is the main part of the shoot system? Stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. Functions. What are the functions of the stem? The stem makes the plant stand upright. Stem makes the plant stand upright. It means कि stem help करता है plant की to stand upright, कि वो उसको ऊपर की तरफ खड़े होने में help करता है. Second is the stem bears the branches, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. Stem क्या क्या रखता है? Branches, leaves, buds. Bud means कली, जो हमारे flowers की कलियां होती है. Flowers and fruits, ये सभी हमारे कहाँ पे होते हैं? स्टेम के ऊपर. नंबर थर्ड इज द स्टेम कैरीज वाटर एंड मिनरल्स, salt from the roots to the leaves. स्टेम क्या करता है? स्टेम हेल्प करता है to carry water and minerals to the other parts from the roots or to the leaves. स्टेम वाटर और मिनरल्स को लीव्स तक कैरी करने में हेल्प करता है. और स्टेम कहाँ से लेता है ये सारे वाटर एंड मिनरल्स? रूट से. और रूट से लेकर कहाँ पहुंचाता है? लीव्स तक. द स्टेम ऑल्सो कैरीज द फूड प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द लीव्स टू वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. स्टेम क्या करता है? कैरी करता है द फूड प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द लीव्स. और स्टेम क्या करता है कि जो वो फूड प्रिपेयर किया गया है बाय लीव्स से, उसको अदर पार्ट्स में कैरी करता है यानी कि पहुंचाता है. In some plants, a part of the stem grows under the ground. In some plants, the stem part found under the ground. This underground part of the stem is used to store excess food. Which plants have stems underground? They store excess food in the stem. Such a stem is known as a underground stem. This type of stem is called underground stem. Yeah, we can say tuber. What is tuber? The underground part of a stem which is used by some plants to store excess food. Tuber क्या होता है? Many plants which have stem under the ground, they store their excess food in the stem. Examples: potato, turmeric and ginger. Here is given some questions about roots. First is, roots help trees to blanks release water, remain firmly fixed, move, release starch to the ground. Root helps tree to remains firmly is the right answer. Root observe blanks and minerals from the soil. Root observe करती है क्या? Minerals and water. Right answer is water. Number third is, the stem is the main part of the root, shoot, plant, water system. Stem is the main part of the shoot system. Shoot is the right answer. Next is, the underground part of a stem which is used by some plants to store food is called tuber, and tuber other name is underground stem. Next is, blanks store excess food in the stem. Carrot, ginger, mango, cherry. Answer is ginger and carrot. The right answer is ginger. We are reading about different parts of the plants. Now we read about leaves. Different plants have different types of leaves. Leaves can be small, for example tamarind leaves, or big, for example banana leaves. Students, when we step out from our home, we saw many different types of plants, trees, etc. We saw all plants have different types of leaves. We are seeing here example. Some leaves are big and some are small. This is small leaf and this is big leaves. They are different from one another. So it means different plants have different types of leaves. Different plants carry different types of leaves. Some trees leaves are small and some trees leaves are big. Now we read about functions of leaves. First is, the green leaf of a plant prepare food. जो ग्रीन लीफ होती है किसके? प्लांट्स की. प्रिपेयर फूड. फूड को क्या करती है? प्रिपेयर करती है. किसके लिए? फॉर द प्लांट्स. लीव्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट एंड किचन ऑफ द प्लांट्स. लीव्स को क्या कहते हैं? फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट्स. फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट इज लीफ. Kitchen of the plant is leaf. Next is, leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll. Leaves has a green substance. We saw different types of different plants. Leaves all are green. Why they looks green? Because of chlorophyll. Leaves have teeny pores or holes called stomatas. All plants' leaves have teeny pores. You take a leaf and look carefully and observe it. The leaves has pores. Pore means holes. They are called stomata. A leaves has pores as like it is called stomata. Next is the leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata. Leaves क्या करती हैं? Take in carbon dioxide from the air with the help of stomata. All leaves have stomata. With the help of this stomata, leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. It's a leaf. This has stomata. With the help of this take in CO2, carbon dioxide from the air. Next is root observe water and mineral salt from the soil. It's a root work. Root क्या करती है? Observe करती है water and minerals को from the soil से. The stem and veins of the leaf carry water and minerals to the leaves. A plant has stem and veins of a leaf. It is a leaf and these are veins of the leaf. Carry water. क्या carry करते हैं? Water and minerals. किसके लिए? Leaves के लिए. जो हमारा स्टेम होता है प्लांट के अंदर और लीफ की जो वेन्स होती हैं वो क्या कैरी करती हैं? वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. किसके लिए? टू द लीव्स के लिए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मिनरल साल्ट, सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल, द लीव्स प्रिपेयर food. How leaves prepare their food? How plants prepare their own food? With the help of water, carbon dioxide, mineral salt and sunlight and chlorophyll. They help plants to prepare their food. Next is this process is called photosynthesis. When plant prepare food, this process is called photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food with the help of sunlight. Photosynthesis occurs only during daytime. Photosynthesis process when? During the daytime. Photosynthesis process doing by plants during the daytime. Plants need sunlight to prepare food because plants need sunlight. Plants को need होती है किसकी? Sunlight की to prepare their food. So photosynthesis process will be doing by the plants during daytime. Now we read about fruits. It's also part of a plant. Some flowers changes into fruits. All plants have flowers, but some plants flower changes into fruits as like mango, apple. Fruits are mainly classified into edible fruits and non-edible fruits. Fruits are classified into two categories. First is edible and second is non-edible. In edible, apples, orange. In non-edible is datura and foxglove. Foxgloves plants. Which plants? They have many flowers which are not edible. Which plants have many flowers? They are called foxglove. Fruits are mainly classified into edible fruits and non-edible fruits. Edible fruits example is apple, mangoes. And non-edible fruits example is datura. We already have heard about bhang, datura. It means that datura. Foxglove means many flowers which are not edibles. Fruits can have one seed. Some fruits have one seed, as like mango. Mango have only one seed. For example, mango and almond. Next is a few seed. Example, apple and spodila. Spodila means chiku. It means some fruits have only one seed and some have few seeds. Few means more than one. More than one seed, as like apple, spodila. But some fruits have many seeds, as like pomegranate and papaya. You saw papaya. Papaya has many seed insides, and pomegranate also have many seeds. It means some fruits have only one seed and some have more than one seed and some have many seeds. Functions. Now we read about functions of fruits. Fruits protect the seed. Fruits क्या करते, प्रोटेक्ट करते किसको, सीड्स को. We are seeing these pictures. Here is seed. Who protect the seed? Fruit. Next is fruit also store excess food prepared by the plants. Fruits other function is fruits protect करेंगे किसको, excess फूड को. एक्सेस मीन्स ज़्यादा फूड. जो पौधे ज़्यादा फूड बना लेते हैं उसको क्या करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं. प्रिपेयर बाय द प्लांट्स, जो प्रिपेयर किया जाता है किसके द्वारा, प्लांट्स के जरिए. लेट्स एग्जांपल, वी स्टोर इन आवर होम वीट्स. Now is harvesting time, so we store wheats at home. Why we store? When we need it we can use them. So plants fruit also store excess food prepared by the plants. Now we read about seed also parts of a plant. Seeds are present inside fruits. We saw before sometime apple pictures, mango pictures, as like it's a mango picture and it is apple pictures. Seeds are present inside fruits. A few plants grow from the seeds. Seeds present होते कहाँ, inside the fruits, and some plants grow with the help of seed. When allowed to remain on the plant, ripened fruits become dry and many burst open. The seeds from such fruits fall on the ground and grow into new plants under favorable conditions. It means when allowed to remain on the plants, if we remains fruit on the plants, they ripen. राइप मीन्स पकना, पक जाते हैं. फ्रूट्स बिकम ड्राई, और फ्रूट्स क्या हो जाते हैं, ड्राई. एंड मे बस्ट, और बस्ट मीन्स फूटना, फट जाना. ओपन, खुल जाना. द सीड्स फ्रॉम सच फ्रूट्स फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. सम सीड्स क्या करते हैं, फॉल मीन्स गिरना, गिर जाते हैं ऑन द ग्राउंड. एंड ग्रो, and again grow into a new plants under favorable conditions. Favorable condition means when they get helpful situations. It means temperature according to them, climate also will be according to them. If they found all conditions suitable, they will grow into a plants. We are seeing a pictures here, chickpeas. You are seeing a pictures. Chickpeas means We use in our language chole. We use green grams, hare chane, beans, and kidney beans. These are seeds of any plants. Now we do fill in the blanks. Photosynthesis occurs only during daytime. Leaves have teeny pores called stomata. Third is blanks are the main reproductive organs of a, I don't know what is written here. The answer will be stamen. Number 4 is the process of transfer of pollen grain from the flowers to another is called pollination. Number 5 is a few plants grow from the seed. You fill in the blanks in your book.